Let's see what he is hiding in our next unit.
Oh, bad bugs. No, sneakers.
When the door raised,
Yeezy.
you
saw
see the Yeezys, you seen the Nikes, you see whatever.
And the other
but we knew it was a little risky, you know what I'm saying? Because it could have been empty.
It could be empty. 25 now, 50. 50, 25 here, 50 where?
I'll do 75.
75, $100 down.
What you think about used mattresses, though? They usually go for at least 100 each.
Sold $100 on them.
Dude, we just need sneakers to be in one box.
Yeah.
And them bitches empty.
All empty or fuck. And them bitches had sneakers, you hit
I think they empty.
The Brooklyn Bombers took a risk on some of the boxes that may be empty. Let's hope the final unit isn't some items that make them regret their decision.
Hey, Chris, what you think? What should we do with this one, man? Let's roll potential in this one, man.
20.
20, now 30. Diamond 20,
25.
25, 30, 30.
30.
30, 35, 35, 35, now 36.
55.
55, 60, 60. 70.
71.
Now
You ain't even letting Chris talk, bro.
80, 72, now 3, 200. And now 200, 225, now 20, 211, so here's 12 there, 225, you say?
About 226.
226. Now
you
7.
think, Chris?
Now 7.
think,
Now 7. Want to do 7 here? 227.
230.
Now 230. 235. I'm at 235 now.
230, 234.
34. Now 7.
270.
270. Now 280 down. 280. 290.
285.
285.
As we seen Agent keep going higher, he was like, nah, we might as well just pocket it right here because we know that Agent, he not gonna budge. You gonna want to get that one, but it is what it is.
It is what it is.
287.
320.
320. 325. I'm at 320. 5. 25. 5. 320. 5.
Oh my God, we did it. We did it.
Chris told me to buy the last unit.